My name is Lucy. I live in England. I live in a small town with my family. My house is near a big park. There are many flowers in the park. In spring, the flowers bloom and the air smells fresh. I like to walk in the park. I see people walking their dogs. Children play and laugh. The birds sing in the trees. The sky is blue. The sun shines. It is very peaceful. But the best part of my life is my family. My parents are very kind. They love me and my siblings. We are a small and happy family. My father's name is William. My mother's name is Sarah. I have a brother. His name is Oliver. I also have a little sister. Her name is Lily. My father is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He helps many people. He leaves the house early in the morning. He wears a white coat. He carries his stethoscope. My father works very hard. Sometimes he works all night, but he never forgets to smile. When he comes home, he hugs us. He says, "I missed you, Lucy." He tells me stories about his day. I listen carefully. He saves lives. I feel proud of my dad. My mother is a teacher. She teaches at a primary school. She wakes up early too. She makes breakfast for all of us. The kitchen smells of toast and tea every morning. My mum makes my lunchbox. She puts fruit, a sandwich, and a sweet note inside. The note says, "Have a good day, Lucy. Love, Mum." It makes me smile. My mum goes to school after we leave. She teaches little children. She is very kind to them. She helps them read and write. She sings songs with them. She tells them stories. The children love her. They call her Miss Sarah. When she comes home, she is tired, but she still helps us with our homework. She listens to us with love. I feel safe with her. My brother Oliver is 15 years old. He is older than me. He loves football. He plays every evening. He has many friends. Sometimes he plays the guitar. His room is full of posters of football players and music bands. He is funny. He tells jokes at dinner. We all laugh. He also helps me with my science homework. He is very smart. My little sister Lily is 5 years old. She goes to nursery. She loves dolls and cartoons. Her laugh is loud and sweet. She runs around the house with her teddy bear. She likes to draw pictures. She draws me with hearts around. She says, "I love you, Lucy." I hug her. She makes our house bright and full of joy. Our house is small but full of love. We have a garden in the back. My dad grows tomatoes and lettuce. My mum grows flowers. On weekends, we sit in the garden. We drink tea and eat biscuits. We talk and laugh. Sometimes we have a picnic in the garden. My dad tells funny stories. My mum sings old songs. Oliver plays his guitar. Lily dances. I sit and watch them. I feel lucky. Our neighbours are kind too. Mrs. Green lives next door. She is 70 years old. She gives us cookies on Christmas. She tells me stories about her childhood. She says, "Family is everything." I agree. Every Sunday we go to the market. The streets are full of people. The market has fruits, vegetables, clothes, and toys. I like to buy strawberries. My mum buys fresh bread. My dad buys books. Oliver looks for football magazines. Lily wants ice cream. We walk together, we hold hands, we smile at people. In the evenings, we all sit in the living room. We eat dinner together. My dad says, "Tell me about your day." We all talk. My mum listens. She nods and smiles. After dinner, we watch TV. Sometimes we play board games. We play Ludo and Monopoly. Lily always wants to win. We let her win sometimes. She jumps with joy. At night, my mum reads a story to Lily. My dad checks the doors and windows. Oliver listens to music. I sit by the window. I look at the stars. I think about my family. I feel warm and happy. I whisper, "Thank you." On special days like birthdays, we decorate the house. We bake a cake. We blow balloons. We sing songs. We take photos. We laugh a lot. On Christmas, our house is full of lights. The tree is big and green. We hang stockings. My mum makes a big dinner. We eat together. We open gifts. We hug and smile. Sometimes life is not easy. My dad gets tired. My mum has a long day. Oliver gets stressed about school. I feel sad too. But we always talk, we sit together, we share our feelings, we help each other, we cry, we laugh, we hold hands, we stay strong. One winter, my dad got very sick. He had to stay in bed. My mum took care of him. Oliver helped with cooking. I helped Lily get ready for nursery. We worked as a team. After a few weeks, my dad got better. He smiled and said, "I am proud of you all." We hugged him. We cried happy tears. That day, I saw the real strength of my family. My parents are my heroes. They teach me love, kindness, and hard work. They never give up. They never stop caring. I want to be like them. I want to make them proud. My house, my street, my town, they are all part of my life. But my parents are the heart of my home. Without them, nothing is complete. They are my guide, my light, and my love. I look at my mum when she teaches Lily to write her name. I look at my dad when he reads a book in the garden. I feel safe. I feel lucky. I feel loved. This is my story, a simple story, but it is full of love, because it is about my parents, and to me, they are everything. Thank you for listening to my story. If you liked this story about my family, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below and tell me about your family too. And if you want more simple and beautiful stories like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video.